Hello friends, welcome back to the Kushal Vlogger channel, and for today's vlog I have with me the Type 4 Toyota Innova. So you can see right over here. So this is the Type 4 Toyota Innova, and this is the base model. The proof that it is a base model is, first of all, the fog lamps are not available. Apart from this, there's no chrome grille over here and here. And apart from that, you can see the antenna over here. Base model it comes like this, whereas in top ends shark fin antenna comes, and even at the sides there is no proper availability. The vehicle looks like brand new because it just went under servicing. And from the back also you can observe that the visor over here is absent. Wiper is there, and the bumper also is plain. So this is how you will come to know whether the vehicle is done or not. And compared to our Innova, which was converted from Type 1 to Type 4, this looks more dull actually. So a bit of work should have been done in this, but the owner of the vehicle prefers it not to be done. And right now, as you can see, the bumper over here, it's brand new. So the bumper costed around rupees 4,000. Last time a lot of people asked me. So that's the brand new bumper. So it costed around 4,000, and this is an 16-inch tire, whereas in our Innova it's a 15-inch tire, and there is no side indicators on the side mirrors, and so a lot of here and there problems. So friends, I'll just go inside the vehicle and I'll show you more detailing from the inside how it looks. And for your information, I have here the key of the vehicle. So this is 2016 Type 4 Innova's key, how it looks like. Whereas our Innova key you might have already seen. We changed it actually. Earlier we used to get a key without the controls. As you can see here, it was not a controlling key. So I'll just open up the vehicle and show you from the inside. So in the inside we have this different finish over here. This is not the normal cream color which comes in the Innova. This is a bit of darker color, and the controls, as you can observe, it's the same. There is no difference in the control. Apart from that, the steering wheel is different. You can observe it's different from the Type 1. And inside, since this is the base model, Pioneer system had to be added extra. And this is how it looks over here, the goggles keeping area. And main controller, it's the same, there's no difference in this. And this is an 8-seater. Our was a 7-seater vehicle. And the difference is the dooms over there. In the older Type 1 model there was no dooms. In this there is a doom, and you can see there's a quite of normality more in this. And nothing much difference. If you can see, there's no much difference. The gear lever also is same. There is no much difference in the gear lever, whereas in our vehicle the gear lever is a bit bigger. In this it's not. And the system in our vehicle is not like this. It's kind of straight over here. So I'll just on the vehicle and I will show you how it starts. So I have to come a bit front. So the sound of the vehicle, you can hear it. So this is the sound. And there's no much difference inside the vehicle or outside. The AC controlling, the system, everything is the same. And you can see I'm comfortable in this vehicle, so as how I am comfortable in the other vehicle. And the vehicle is good, it's smooth, there's no much of a difference. The major difference, as I told you, was the color. You can see this is black, whereas in our it's cream. You can see the entire central console, it's black in color. You actually get it like that. And apart from that, you can see the back seats how it is. So I'll just go at the back and I'll show you how it feels to sit at the back. And please with once I'll go back and I'll show you. Sorry, I got confused a bit. So at the back it is something like this. So that is actually the door opening sensors. It's telling the door is open. You can see there's no much of a space here. Headroom is there, a lot of headroom is there, even leg room is there, but since this is a 3-seater, it won't be comfortable to sit. I'll go to the back and I'll again show you how it feels from there. The main thing is the mats are like brand new. It got a bit dirty now by me sitting in it. So this is how you have to maintain a vehicle actually. So these are not this is the original mat actually. It's not the ones which we put, that is the 7D mat. You can see there's no much of a difference. And so this is the boot area. So in the Innova, as casual as it is, there's no enough space for keeping extra luggage. Maybe 100-liter space may be available, or less than that, maybe 70 or 80. Some 2 suitcase will come over here. And this is the back sitting area. So I thought of not sitting now because actually I sat front and the mat got dirty. Actually it just came from the showroom after a good nice service. It's around 5 years old, so I thought of not spoiling how it is maintained actually. So the vehicle actually came with faults at the front bumper and the back bumper, which got replaced. And for your information, the bill for both the repair was around 5,500, whereas the front bumper is brand new, whereas the back bumper they just polished it a bit. And you can see in this vehicle this is extra, you don't get it, they have put it extra, or in the company itself you will get it. So not so good looking stuff actually. They could have done chrome over here. I don't know, in Toyota there are a lot of faults like that. If you ask me, they don't provide you a lot of good stuff, whereas in the latest model Innovas they are providing you nice sets of interiors and other stuff, but the rate is quite costly. These Innovas were easily available at a cost of rupees 16 to 25 lakhs or 22 lakhs, whereas these days Innova comes for a very heavy price, that is around 30 lakhs or something like that. So friends, that's all for this video. You can see the brand new Innova is ready over here. So I hope you watch my videos, and more exciting videos are going to come soon. The next video will be the comparison of this model Innova, the Type 4 model versus the Type 1, and the changes which have been made. So please do watch the video and please subscribe and hit that like button so that my channel grows more and more. So stay with me.